think that the strike was the biggest challenge for me, and losing my staff. It just was over, it was sad because they didn't want to leave us. And that was, 5 months of almost half a year of not having a full complement of staff to do the job. And I think I was questioning, you know, you know, my purpose, and kind of trying to, what would happen when they came back, and kind of transitioning that piece. And many of them couldn't, to be honest with you, could not, stay without working, and they did not return. So I was left with rebuilding a team. So going through the strike and then rebuilding a team again. So that was a bit challenging. And I think that really was a hard point in my life, but it's either you step up to the challenge or you don't, right? And I think I could have easily said, you know what, this isn't, I'm not cut out for this. But I knew, we have a good place. We're good people here, and we will rebuild.